Guys, look what Cynthia bought. Cynthia bought all of that because she's making like a shelter for the street cats. She has such a beautiful heart. But bruh, carrying this outside too. Oh my gosh, and it's windy. This thing is big. Oh, Cynthia. Like, bruh. This thing is huge. Oh my god. It's definitely... Oh, I hit the car. It's definitely insulated because this is why she does it. Look, that's her first insulation bin. And look who's in there already. His name is Handsome. He's in that bin. We're making another one. Bin by we, I mean Cynthia. Guys, it's already snowing. There you go. Who's water? The cat's water? Bruh. That shit sounded like glass. Guys, it's snowing. Yo, can you see all of that over there? Alrighty, the final products. $3.34. You could already see that it's accumulating. We'll check back in a couple hours. I think we're actually gonna go out. I know we're crazy, but we wanted to go to Target to get some snacks. We'll keep you posted, obviously. Alright, but oh, I hope the cats are happy. Cynthia worked really hard. She has such a good heart. God bless her. Guys, it's really snowing already, and it's just the beginning. Wow, guys. It's already accumulating. Oh, update. Look at the snow that has accumulated. It's 20 minutes later. Wow, it's gonna happen. It's gonna get snowy up in here. Guys, we're gonna go out later, but I'm gonna look this up just in case. Alrighty guys, 4:30. Wow, it's already getting there. Max, it's snowing! Aren't you excited? Ooh, still snowing. Wow, these things still have lights. It is 6:05. Let's look at the accumulation. Definitely more than before, obviously. She's gonna keep going.
Yeah.
You're dead.
El 12 Plus.
Yeah.
Más este sí, mira.
we're back home. Wow, the snow is deep. Oh my. It's not the deepest. It's gonna keep snowing. Update on the mailbox. It is 9:35. Let's check again later. I feel like it's raining now, right? It's raining, it's not snowing anymore. Alrighty guys, day 16 of the Advent calendar.